Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlit Guide. I am Saurav Rohukle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic on the grasshopper and cricket by John Keats on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Basaheb Rohukle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who has written the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. J. M. Hopkins, B. John Keats, C. W. B. Yeats, or D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct option is B. John Keats. Question number 2. John Keats was born on dash dash in London, England. The options are A. 31st October 1795, B. 31st October 1794, C. 31st October 1796, or D. 31st October 1792. The correct option is A. 31st October 1795. Question number 3. John Keats was died on dash dash. The options are A. 23rd February 1821, B. 23rd February 1822, C. 23rd February 1819, or D. 23rd February 1820. The correct option is A. 23rd February 1821. Question number 4. John Keats died of dash dash in Rome, Italy. The options are A. Heart attack, B. Cancer, C. Diphtheria, or D. Tuberculosis. The correct option is D. Tuberculosis. Question number 5. John Keats died at the age of dash dash. The options are A. 38, B. 45, C. 25, or D. 52. The correct option is C. 25. Question number 6. John Keats was one of the popular poets of second generation of the dash dash movement. The options are A. Romantic, B. Modern, C. Victorian, or D. Elizabethan. The correct option is A. Romantic. Question number 7. John Keats was a dash dash poet. The options are A. Pessimistic, B. Angry, C. Sensuous, or D. Cynical. The correct option is C. Sensuous. Question number 8. In his poems, John Keats describes dash dash and Greek classical legends. The options are A. Beauty of animals, B. Beauty of nature or earth, C. Beauty of birds, or D. Beauty of mountains. The correct option is B. Beauty of nature or earth. Question number 9. When did John Keats publish his first volume of verse? The options are A. 1821, B. 1822, C. 1816, or D. 1817. The correct option is D. 1817. Question number 10. The poetry of earth is never dead is a line from dash dash. The options are A. On grasshoppers and crickets, B. On the grasshopper and cricket, C. On cricket and grasshopper, or D. Over grasshopper and cricket. The correct option is B. On the grasshopper and cricket. Question number 11. John Keats' poetic career lasted for dash dash years. The options are A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, or D. 5. The correct option is A. 4. Question number 12. John Keats is famous for his dash dash. The options are A. Odes and sonnets, B. Elegy, C. Ballads, or D. Ghazal. The correct option is A. Odes and sonnets. Question number 13. Who sings the poetry of earth in the summer season, or who takes the lead in summer luxury? The options are A. Cricket, B. Grasshopper, C. Cuckoo, or D. Skylark. The correct option is B. Grasshopper. Question number 14. Who is described in on grasshopper and cricket as never done with his delights? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. Cricket, C. Keats, or D. Birds. The correct option is A. Grasshopper. Question 15. Where does the grasshopper take rest? The options are A. Beneath the pleasant weed, that is a wild tree. B. Behind the weed. C. Beside the weed. Or D. On the weed. The correct option is A. Beneath the pleasant weed. Question 16. Where do the birds take shelter in the summer? The options are A. Cooling trees, B. At the riverside, C. Grassy hills, or D. Grassy land. The correct option is A. Cooling trees. Question 17. Who sings the poetry of earth in winter? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. Birds, C. Cricket, or D. John Keats. The correct option is C. Cricket. Question 18. What makes the birds faint, or why do the birds become faint? The options are A. The calm sea, B. Heat of the hot sun, C. The shiny moon, or D. Twinkling stars. The correct option is B. Heat of the hot sun. Question 19. The winter evening is lone because dash. The options are A. The poet has no company, B. All are afraid to come out, C. No one likes to come out, or D. There is silence all around. The correct option is D. There is silence all around. Question 20. What do you mean by drowsiness? The word used in the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket. The options are A. Tiredness, B. Restlessness, C. Very sleepy state, or D. Depression. The correct option is C. Very sleepy state. Question 21. Whose warmth is ever increasing? The options are A. Grasshopper's song, B. Cricket song, C. Poet's song, or D. Bird's song. The correct option is B. Cricket's song. Question 22. What is described as in warmth increasing? The options are A. Grasshopper song, B. Bird song, C. Poet's song, or D. Cricket's song. The correct option is D. Cricket's song. Question 23. What is the theme of the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. Power or beauty of nature, B. Power of grasshopper, C. Power of cricket, or D. Power of birds. The correct option is A. Power or beauty of nature. Question 24. The grasshopper and cricket are the symbols of dash mood of nature. The options are A. Joyous or happy, B. Sad, C. Indignation, or D. Surprising. The correct option is A. Joyous or happy. Question 25. The grasshopper is the symbol of dash. The options are A. Hot summer, B. Cold winter, C. Healthy winter, or D. Stony winter. The correct option is A. Hot summer. Question 26. Who is the symbol of cold winter in the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. Trees, B. Grasshopper, C. Cricket, or D. Ice. The correct option is C. Cricket. Question 27. What type of sonnet On the Grasshopper and Cricket is? The options are A. Curtle, B. Miltonic, C. Petrarchan or Italian, or D. Shakespearean. The correct option is C. Petrarchan or Italian. Question 28. What is the meter of the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. Iambic pentameter, B. Iambic dimeter, C. Iambic hexameter, or D. Iambic octameter? The correct option is A. Iambic pentameter. Question 29th. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. ABBA, ABBA, CDE, DCD. Option B. ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. Option C. ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Option D. ABBA, ABBA, DCD, DCD. The correct option is C. ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Question 30. On the Grasshopper and Cricket is a dash dash poem. The options are A. Musical, B. Symbolic, C. Classical, or D. Elegiac. The correct option is B. Symbolic. Question 31. On the Grasshopper and Cricket is a famous dash dash of John Keats. The options are A. Ballad, B. Elegy, C. Sonnet, or D. Ode. The correct option is C. Sonnet. Question 32. In the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket, the poetry of earth means the dash dash. The options are A. Music of grasshopper, B. Music of birds, C. Music of nature, or D. Music of cricket. The correct option is C. Music of nature. Question 33. What type of figure of speech is used by kids while using a phrase poetry of earth? The options are A. Metonymy, B. Metaphor, C. Hyperbole, or D. Onomatopoeia. The correct option is B. Metaphor. Question 34. What is the meaning of the word hedge used in the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. Fence formed by stones, B. Fence formed by planted shrubs or bushes, C. Fence formed by woods, or D. Fence formed by wires and poles. The correct option is B. Fence formed by planted shrubs or bushes. Question 35. Whose voice would run from hedge to hedge? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. Cricket, C. Poet, or D. Birds. The correct option is A. Grasshopper. Question 36. Whose voice is heard from the stones? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. Cricket, C. Poet, or D. Water. The correct option is B. Cricket. Question 37. Which seasons are described in the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket? The options are A. Summer and rainy, B. Winter and midwinter, C. Summer and winter, or D. Winter and rainy. The correct option is C. Summer and winter. Question 38. Why do the birds hide themselves under the shade of the trees? The options are A. Protect from hunter, B. Protect from grasshopper, C. Protect from winter, or D. Protect from heat. The correct option is D. Protect from heat. Question 39. The common features between the grasshopper and the cricket is dash dash. The options are A. Are pessimistic, B. Sings nature songs, C. Are healthy, or D. Are strong. The correct option is B. Sings nature's song. Question 40. What happens during the winter? The options are A. Nobody stays at home, B. There is rush in the market, C. There is silence everywhere, or D. People sing song. The correct option is C. There is silence everywhere. Question 41. Who is lost in drowsiness? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. People, C. Hot sun, or D. Cold winter. The correct option is B. People. Question 42. The title of the poem by Keats is devoted for two tiny dash of nature. The options are A. Neglected creatures, B. Huge animals, C. Seasons, or D. Songs. The correct option is A. Neglected creatures. Question 43. Who comes dash to fill the vacant space of the singing birds? The options are A. Grassland, B. Hot sun, C. Grasshopper, or D. Cricket. The correct option is C. Grasshopper. Question 44. Grasshopper and cricket are personified by dash and using personal pronouns like he and his. The options are A. Capitalizing their names, B. Representing the seasons, C. Describing the beauty, or D. Showing happy mood. The correct option is A. Capitalizing their names. So that's it. Thank you to watch the video.